Okay, so it's starting to rain. I did this in Salina a couple weeks ago, and they had 4/10 of an inch of rain since June, and their corn looked about 2.5, maybe 2 feet high, and it looked like it was all curled up, looked like pineapples. We did this demonstration, and I asked them if they got an inch of rain tomorrow, where would their rainfall go? Would it go into the soil where they need it for the crops, or would it run off? Okay, and we had a few farmers that were, I could tell that if they got some rain, they would hope that it went into their soil. So what we see happening here is the water's just about through the system. It has dissolved some of the phosphorus that's on the surface, and the tilled soil has done just what this did. It's simply the structure, as soon as water hit it, the structure dissolved, it sealed over the top and caused, actually I would say 100% runoff. In relation to the no-till caused no runoff. Now what's interesting is, again, if you want to look at the bottom of this one, there was nothing that really infiltrated into the tilled soil. It simply sealed off and ran off along with our phosphorus fertilizer.